Hi, I'm Martin, and I'm the inventor of Drift. Years ago, when I introduced you to my vision, a game that would combine racing simulation and robotics in a novel and unique way. Thanks to your great support, Drift, a new kind of game, was born. Last year was crazy. Drift has already more than 25,000 users all over the world. It was the first year of Drift, and there have been so many exciting Drift events. And not even a year after we shipped our first racer, we had our first official Drift Championship. Now, the time has come to start the next chapter. Together with you, we can take Drift to the next level. Racers with real counterparts. Racers which not only look like the big ones, but sound and move just like them. We will start with two icons of automotive history, the BMW E30 M3 and the Mercedes 190 Evo 2. Both will come as production cars as well as limited race versions. And they mark another milestone for us. We switched from plastic to metal bodies for highest quality and accuracy in every detail. Drift is a new way of gaming. It uses the possibilities of today's smartphone, but at the same time pulls the user away from the screen back into the physical reality. Because of the physics engine behind the game, your Drift Racer is just as controllable as a real car. There is no need for a track system anymore. You can drive almost everywhere because the driving behavior does not depend on the surface but the simulated track conditions. Imagine a wet race on your kitchen table. Go for a race anywhere and anytime. You just need your smartphone and your Drift Racer. Your phone is your steering wheel, your throttle, your brake and your handbrake. As in any usual video game, you can change the road conditions or play to get other engines and setups. How about a supercharger for your V8? Change the settings and your racer will change its driving behavior and sound as well. But Drift is even more. Your racer can measure your lap times and recognize different targets on the track. This way you can battle it out with your friends and the worldwide community. Raise your scores by drifting smart. The Drift app calculates every movement with absolute precision. With its robotics and sensors, the racer translates it into reality. This makes driving the Drift Racer, accelerating, steering and drifting absolutely realistic. Each Drift Racer is assembled by hand in our German factory, and our customer service will always keep your racer running.
Introducing Echo Dot Kids Edition. It's everything you love about Alexa, made just for kids. It comes with a kid-friendly case and a 1-year Amazon Free Time Unlimited plan, which includes thousands of age-appropriate songs, hundreds of Audible books, games, and activities from a growing list of kid favorites like Disney, Nickelodeon, and more. It also comes with a 2-year worry-free guarantee. If it breaks, just send it back and we'll replace it for free. This is Emma. She likes outer space.
I like outer space.
This is Jimmy and Jake. They like dinosaurs.
We like dinosaurs. We like dinosaurs.
With Echo Dot Kids Edition, they can ask Alexa to play a song, answer questions, tell stories, and more.
Alexa, how do you spell pterodactyl?
P-T-E-R.
Alexa, please tell me a story.
Alexa, tell me a dinosaur joke.
Alexa, play Weird But True.
Let's play. 1 year on Neptune lasts about 165 Earth years. True or false?
True.
They can also listen to thousands of ad-free songs from kid-friendly playlists and radio stations.
Alexa, please play some music.
Getting kids hits from iHeartRadio.
Hey guys, dinner time.
With Drop-In, it's easy to check in on the kids. And with customizable parental controls, you can pause Alexa for dinner or bedtime. You can also monitor activity from the Amazon Parent dashboard.
All done for now. We can play again later.
Night, kiddo. Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
One more.
Go for it.
Alexa, how many miles to the Andromeda Galaxy?
The Andromeda Galaxy is 14 quintillion, 931 quadrillion, 389 trillion, 517 billion, 400 million miles away.
Wow.